Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Let's talk about what we need to know for tomorrow's forecast. Near record heat for many areas. A few thunderstorms are in the forecast. A fire danger high with the wind will be out there and the heat, of course. And because we're getting some storms on Saturday in the evening hours, we may be left with some quieter conditions heading in to your 4th of July. So as we take a look at the weekend at a snapshot, first and foremost, today's temperatures kissing records in Grand Forks. You were 1 degree shy of tying a record today. Tomorrow, Fargo should tie a record at 95 degrees. You will break a record tomorrow in Grand Forks at 93. Your record, you should break that by being in those mid 90s as well. 96 on the 4th of July will be very close to Fargo's record of 97, set back a while ago. Now, as we take a look at your current conditions heading into the overnight hours, we've cooled off only into the low 80s. Still muggy out there with dew points in the 60s, kind of sultry, kind of sticky. So we take a look around the region, all of us in the 70s to around 80 degrees as we head to bed. And last night's forecast said out in the western Dakotas, a few showers and thunder showers. Hey, we'll take the rain out there. It is parched and there is some happening. And it's this weather wiggle working its way eastward that will bring us a chance for some Saturday excitement, if you will, in the forecast, because rain is exciting, even if it is a holiday weekend. Let's take a look at your forecast overnight tonight. We'll see temperatures sneak down briefly, hit the 60s, and then by daybreak we'll be on our way into the 70s. Notice the arrows. Be breezier from the south. Winds 15 miles per hour in the morning will increase, and we'll see some gusts in the afternoon approaching 40 miles per hour at times in our western counties. That's going to drive temperatures up well into the 90s for almost all locations. Look at this. Afternoon thunderstorms. This is an update now from the earlier models. Starting in the Devil's Lake Basin. We need rain across the region. We'll take it in the Devil's Lake Basin. It's been dry. These track eastward as we go through the evening, diving south, moving into the central and southern Red River Valley after dinner and into the early evening. And by the time they move out over Minnesota, this model indicating they run out of moisture and energy in the atmosphere. We'll keep our eyes on the chances. The risk of severe is quite low, but we cannot rule out one that produces sizable hail or burps out a gusty and damaging wind gusts locally. We'll take any rain it provides after a day like this with temperatures soaring into the 90s, and we stay in the 90s all the way from noon past the dinner hour. Best chance of showers or thunder here in Fargo between 9 and 11, the way things are looking. That's not before 95 in Jamestown in the 4 o'clock hour. Oaks 93. Thunderstorms developing in our western counties in the 4 o'clock hour. Shift east. Keep that in mind. May not even reach out into parts of central Minnesota where temperatures will be a sizzling low 90s. Well, Sue capturing another beautiful and golden sunset, almost reddish thanks to the particulates in the atmosphere from fires in Canada and out west. After a hot one on the 4th of July, I think our thunderstorm chances are very small on Sunday. Monday, likewise, isolated storms in 88. We really cool off Tuesday and Wednesday. Then next week, we're still on for Thursday and Friday rain that could be more widespread. And beneficial rainfall amounts too when it lasts a day to a day and a half. All in all, it looks like a fun holiday weekend. And from Pedro and myself, get out there, be safe, wear your life vests, and have a little bit of fun. Stacy?
Awesome. Pedro, he's super safe.
Look, he's got a handlebar here. I could just lift him right up by the handlebar.
Just the model of safety, Pedro. And we got to see him this week. What a great week here at
It's been a
Valley
good
News
one.
Live. Thanks, Hutch.
Yep.